In this video, we will solve a question on how to find marginal rate of substitution. The question is, a consumer has the utility function our goods x and y as. Utility is a function of two goods x and y, which is equal to 12x square times y raised power 4. We need to find out the marginal utility of good x and y and also find the corresponding MRS. Okay, so given the utility function u is equal to 12x square y raised power 4, marginal utility of good x is simply the partial derivative of utility function with respect to good x. If I partially differentiate it with respect to x, derivative of x square will become 2x, so 2 into 12 is 24x, y raised power 4 will remain same because we are partially differentiating with respect to x here. Similarly, marginal utility of good y will be equal to the partial derivative of utility function with respect to good y. So partially differentiating this time with respect to y, so derivative y raised power 4, its derivative is 4y cube by power function rule. So 4 will become coefficient, 4 into 12 is 48, x square will remain same, and the exponent of y will be subtracted by 1, so we will get 4 minus 1, which is 3. So this is marginal utility of good y. Now we need to find out the MRS. Okay, MRS. By MRS, what we mean, simply amount of good y which a consumer is willing to give up for one more unit of good x, and it is being given by minus times marginal utility of good x upon marginal utility of good y. So we have minus marginal utility of good x, we calculated as 12x y raised power 4, and marginal utility of good y we calculated 48 x square y cube. Okay, so here we will get 12 upon 48 is equal to 1 upon 2, so 1x will get cancelled here, 3 y cube will get cancelled with y raised power 4, so we will get y upon x. So our MRS is minus y upon twice x. Okay, so MRS simply tells us how many units of how many units of good y a consumer is willing to give up for one more additional unit of good x. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.